Environmental
Environmental Day, World Environmental Day. World Environmental Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. This year theme, World Environmental Day theme is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. So we are celebrating many days like Earth Day, Health Day, Biodiversity Day, and then Wildlife Day, some special Tigers Day like that. Why all these observances? What is the importance of that observances? Why? What is the importance? Today we will discuss. Environmental Day makes observance of Environmental Day makes very focus, special focus. On here. What is the importance of observances first? We will discuss. The existence of international dates predates the establishment. Majority of the important international dates will establishment by the United Nations. But all the United Nation countries along with their partners are following the days. Why these days are designed? I mean, international days, weeks, years, decades. Each week a theme or a topic, specific theme or topic. By creating special observances, international awareness and action on these issues. International awareness and actions on these issues. Each international day or week offers many actors the opportunity to organize activities related to that theme of day, mainly related to that theme of day. Otherwise, here I'm quoting one simple example. So whenever we are interested, we can make our festivals, whatever it may be, Diwali are celebrated, and then Dasara. Only what is the importance of that? Why we have to celebrate in common? So with that special occasion is there, everybody is involved. Like this, here special days, special international days are there. Special international observances are there. Every individual, organizations, institutions, public, government, many people is joined on that event, on that focused event. At the same time, awareness also going on. So, in this specific theme of the day, organizations and offices of the very majority of the offices, and most importantly, governments, civil society, the public and private sectors, schools, universities, and more generally citizens make an international day a springboard for awareness raising actions on that particular theme, on that particular thing, on that particular issue. That is the special observance. Why we are celebrating the special day? Why we are celebrating Environmental Day every year? Where it is celebrated? What is the theme of Environmental Day? The World Environmental Day is first celebrated, first observed in 1974 in the city of Spokane in the USA. First, it is observed in 1974 in the city of Spokane in the USA. What is the history of Environmental Day? In 1972, the United Nations General Assembly established the World Environmental Day on the first day of the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment. In 1972, Stockholm Conference conducted and with the theme of human and environment. With the theme of human and environment, because environment is degrading year by year, decade by decade. If it is degrading, there is no survival of living being, especially human being may affect a lot. Due to that, in the 1972, organized one international conference on the theme of human environment at Stockholm. But it is proposed in 1972. World Environmental Day is proposed in 1972. But 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environmental Day was held with the theme, Only the Earth. What is the first Environmental Day theme? Only the Earth. First Environmental Day, it is observed in 1974. Theme is Only One Earth. Several living beings, several species, several millions of species are there, but only one Earth is there for their survival, for all the species survival. Even though Environmental Day celebrating have been held annually since 1974. But in 1987, the idea for rotating the center of these activities through selecting different host countries at the same time with different theme. Different theme. This is the initiation for the World Environment Day. World Environment Day. So every year with different theme, we are celebrating World Environment Day by engaging governments, business, celebrities and citizens to focus their effort on pressing environmental issue on that particular theme. On that particular theme. By especially focused on that particular theme. Now we will discuss what is the theme of what is the theme of environment? And then which is the host country? So where it is started? It is started Environmental Day, World Environmental Day is started in 1972, Stockholm Conference, Human and Environment. With that discussions, then in 1974 onwards, Environment Day is celebrating. But what is the timeline of World Environmental Day? We will discuss year, theme and host country from 2010 onwards and their importance. 2010 theme is the many species, one planet, one future. 2010 theme is many species, one planet, one future. See the theme. We have to conserve. So host country is Rwanda. 2011 theme is forest, nature at your service. So importance of forest. What is the importance of forest? Why we have to conserve? I mean, year by year forests are degrading. If forests are degrading like that, what is happening? So nature at your service, forest, nature at your service as a theme, celebrated as a host country in India. 2012 is the 2012 theme is green economy. It's celebrated in Brazil. Green economy, sustainable economy. 2013 is think, eat, save. I mean, reduce your footprint, because food is wasting somewhere, but many people million of people is suffered with malnutrition due to lacking of food without for their survival. They are not getting proper food too. Hence, while you are eating, you have to think, and that's at the same time save. Theme is 2013 theme is the think, eat, save to reduce your footprint. At the same time, while you are thinking, you are saving the food, and then carbon dioxide footprint also you can reduce. It is host organized in Portland. Host country is Portland. 2014 is the rise your voice, not the sea level. Because oceans and then water pollution is going on. Majority of the oceans, seas are disturbed with plastic and then everything. Raise your voice, not the sea level. So, only thinking environment, soil or atmosphere, not only that, including sea, underground sea, how it is impacted, what is the biome of that, but that is impacted. It's celebrated in South Africa. 2015 theme is 7 billion people, one planet. Consume with care. So at that time, 2015, 7 billion people population, only one planet, that is Mother Earth. Consume with care. With our selfishness, we are doing many things, many harmful things to the Mother Earth, nature, but consume with care. That is the theme. It is jointly organized Milan, Italy. 2016, zero tolerance for the illegal trade in wildlife. So biodiversity is decreasing and then wildlife is in the great threat. For that year theme is the zero tolerance for the illegal trade in wildlife. It's celebrated in Angola. 2017 theme is connecting people with nature. So here, everybody is thinking, oh, what is environmental science? It's okay. If there is no nature, if everything we are getting from the nature, everything we are enjoying from the earth, land, air, water, everything, food, everything, but simply we are neglecting environment as a subject as well as as a theme too. Every individual has to remind Without nature, we may not sustain. Without nature, we may not survive. So this theme is the connecting people with nature. It's organized by host countries, Canada. 2008 is the Beat Plastic Pollution. Beat Plastic Pollution. It's further organized by India. 2011. Then at that time, theme is the forest. Now 2018, theme is the Beat Plastic Pollution. Plastics are accumulating, dumping. Everywhere plastic is dumping. Hence, that is the theme. 2019, Beach Air Pollution. It is organized by China. 2020, Biodiversity. Jointly hosted by Colombia and Germany. Present 2021, theme is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration. So host countries, Pakistan. So 2021 theme is the Reimagine, Restore, Rethink for Ecosystem Restore. Because 2021, 2031 is the International Year of the Biodiversity. I mean ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration. Decade. International Decade 2021 to 2031 is the ecosystem restoration. That is the theme. This year theme is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. Ecosystem restoration. Mainly focused on ecosystem restoration. Why we are, ecosystem restoration. Why this decade 2021-2031 is named as ecosystem restoration? Because completely all the ecosystem is degrading. Very ecosystem is degrading. Degrading. Hence, reimagine, recreate, restore. For too long, we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystem. For too long, with our selfishness, for our survival, whatever it may be, every 3 seconds, you have to imagine, every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch. And over the last century, we destroyed half of our wetlands. As much as 50% of our coral reefs have already been lost. And up to 90% of coral reefs could be lost by 2050. Even if global warming is limited to an increase of 1.5 degrees, but coral reefs are destroying due to water pollution, due to wetlands, and then water pollution. Ecosystem loss is depriving the world carbon sinks like forests and peatlands. A time humanity can least afford it. Global green gas emissions have grown for 3 consecutive years. The planet is one of the pace for potentiality catastrophic climate change. One more thing you has to notice that the emergency of COVID-19 has also shown just how disastrous the consequences of ecosystem loss. By shrinking the area of natural habitat for animals, we have created ideal conditions for pathogens We are creating ideal conditions due to shrinking of natural habits for animals, vegetation, ecosystem, forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, including, hence we are created ideal conditions for pathogens, including coronavirus too, to spread, to suffer, to affect entire world. With this big challenging picture, the World Environmental Day is focused on ecosystem restoration, and its theme is reimagine, recreate, restore. Reimagine, recreate, restore. That is the theme this year. Reimagine, recreate, restore. What is meant by ecosystem restoration? It means preventing, halting, and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. Hence, this World Environmental Day will kick off the UN decade, United Nations decade on the ecosystem restoration, that is 2021 to 2031. A global mission to revive billion of hectares from forest to farmlands, from the top of mountains to the depth of sea. Global mission to revive billions of hectares from forest to farmland, from the top of mountains to the depth of sea. That is the this year theme. But every individual should be the part of ecosystem restoration, environmental restoration. Be the part. Every individual be the part of the ecosystem restoration. Otherwise, everything will be, we may not survive for future. Everything is going on. So what we have to do, what every individual, and then at the same time institutions, public, government, non-government sectors, what we have to do? Green up to cool down first. How much you can green up, you have to green up. Not only in the wasteland, not only in the desert, not only in the farmland, including your terrace garden and then home garden, in your corridors, in your balcony gardens, wherever it is possible, green up to cool down. That is the first aspect. Generation restoration. Wherever it is possible, you have to restore it. One more thing you have to remember, every individual has to remember, investing in ecosystem is investing in our future. Simply we are thinking investing somewhere for our future as a bank balances like that. They may not give food to us for our survival, for our future generations. You should invest in ecosystem. Whatever ecosystem, as per your interest, to conserve, unleashing the underground forest. You have to reintroduce the forestation wherever it is possible. It is restoring the human nature bond. Human nature bond. You have to love nature. Have to spare some time with nature. At that time, you can recreate a lot. At the same time, you can do miracles. Research, academia, awareness, sustainable carbon dioxide and nitrogen management too. Sustainable sinking of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Why every time we are thinking, we are explaining importance of the plantation. It has a lot of importance in the controlling of floods, temperature balance, releasing of oxygen, sinking to carbon dioxide. habitation to wildlife, food, medicine, fuel, absorbs pollutants, mineral resources, regulate water cycle, soil erosion control. I mean, preventing floods, add oxygen, provide oxygen to us, cool our houses, cool our healthy planet. Hence, what is the role of you? Be the part of in this solution towards sustainability, towards environment. Plant more awareness, aware and create awareness among yourselves. Do farming, do sustainable farming, agriculture, research and education. Think before manufacturing. Is it harmful to the environment? At the same time, you has to think, ma'am, we are not manufacturing, how we has to think. But you are purchasing, you are the purchaser, you have to think once again while you are purchasing any item. That is most important. Simply purchasing and then throwing to the environment, throwing our home, nature, mother nature. We are affecting, I mean, mother nature, mother earth is affecting a lot. And then finally, waste to wealth. Wherever waste is there, you has to convert it that into wealth. You has to convert it into the wealth. That is the major criteria for us. I mean, something we has to contribute as an individual on occasion of Environmental Day, especially, but at the same time, not only for an occasion of Environmental Day. I mean, as a individual, as a human being, for our survival itself, for our survival, you has to contribute something towards environment. As well as an occasion of Environmental Day, at the same time, being a part of nature, being a one creature, one living being in a nature, you has to do something, contribute something for the nature.